Hey everyone, welcome back to CivilsCore. This is part 4 of our complete UPSC Prelims 2026 paper. If you are just joining us, parts 1, 2 and 3 are already up. Links are in the description. Go catch up first. In this video, I am taking you through questions 31 to 40 from GS paper 1. Let us get straight into it. Question 31. Tungurahua Volcano, which was declared a global geopark by UNESCO in 2025, is situated in which one among the following countries? A. Ecuador, B. Peru, C. Bolivia, D. Colombia. Answer is option A. Ecuador. Tungurahua Volcano is an active stratovolcano located in the Cordillera Oriental of the Andes in central Ecuador, rising to about 5,023 meters. The name Tungurahua comes from Quichua words meaning throat of fire. In 2025, UNESCO designated the Tungurahua volcano area as a global geopark, recognizing its volcanic geology, biodiversity, and the cultural heritage of indigenous communities in the region. The other Andean nations, Peru, Bolivia, and Colombia, each have their own notable volcanoes. But Tungurahua belongs specifically to Ecuador in the Tungurahua province. A clear factual recall question. Next question. With reference to Madhav National Park, which of the following statements are correct? 1. It was declared a tiger reserve in India in 2025. 2. Sakhya Sagar, which is designated as a Ramsar site, is situated within this national park. 3. Its area is shared between Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Answer is option B, 1 and 2. Both statements 1 and 2 are correct. Madhav National Park, located in the Shivpuri district of Madhya Pradesh, was officially notified as India's 58th tiger reserve in March 2025, becoming the 9th tiger reserve in Madhya Pradesh. Statement 1 is correct. The park contains two artificial lakes, Sakhya Sagar and Madhav Sagar. Sakhya Sagar was designated a Ramsar site in 2022 and lies entirely within the national park. Statement 2 is correct. Statement 3 is the trap. The park lies entirely within Madhya Pradesh in Shivpuri district. It is not shared with Rajasthan at all. Question 33. With reference to the climate of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which of the following statements is/are correct? 1. The climate can be defined as a humid tropical coastal climate. 2. It receives rainfall from both southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. 3. Maximum precipitation is between December and May. Answer is option B, 1 and 2. Statements 1 and 2 are correct. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie close to the equator in the Bay of Bengal, giving them a warm, humid, tropical coastal climate with temperatures ranging between 23 and 31 degrees Celsius throughout the year. Statement 1 is correct. Unlike most of mainland India, the islands receive rainfall from both the southwest monsoon between May and September and the northeast monsoon between November and December. Statement 2 is correct. Statement 3 is wrong. Maximum precipitation occurs between May and December, not December to May. December to May is actually the relatively drier period. The order of the months in Statement 3 is reversed to mislead you. Moving on, question 34. Which of the following geographical features or phenomena is/are associated with the peninsular block of India? 1. Submergence of parts of the western coast due to tectonic activity. 2. Presence of residual mountain ranges such as the Velikonda Hills and Mahendragiri Hills. 3. Deep V-shaped river valleys formed by fast-flowing rivers. Answer is option B, 1 and 2. The Peninsular Block is one of the oldest and most stable landmasses of India. Feature 1 is correct. The western coast of India is a submerged coast, evidenced by features like the Gulf of Khambat and Gulf of Kutch, which formed due to tectonic submergence. Feature 2 is correct. The Velikonda and Mahendragiri hills are residual hills of the eastern Ghats within the Peninsular Block, shaped by millions of years of erosion. Feature 3 is a trap. Deep V-shaped valleys and fast-flowing rivers are characteristics of Himalayan rivers, young rivers in the youthful stage of erosion. Peninsular rivers are mature, flowing through broad and shallow valleys with low gradients. Next question. Consider the following statements with reference to the Sagarmala program of Government of India. 1. The Sagarmala program seeks to achieve port-led economic growth through cost-effective and sustainable coastal infrastructure. 2. The success of the Sagarmala program is reflected in significant growth in coastal and inland waterway shipping, along with improved global port rankings. 3. Sagarmala 2.0 aims to position India as a global maritime innovation hub, aligned with Atmanirbhar Bharat and Viksit Bharat 2047 visions. Which of the following relationships among the above statements is/are correct? 1. Statement 2 validates the effectiveness of the strategies envisioned in Statement 1. 2. Statement 3 extends the objectives of Statement 1 by embedding them into a future-oriented innovation framework. 3. Statement 1 contradicts Statement 3 by focusing only on traditional infrastructure instead of modern innovation. Answer is option B, 1 and 2. This is a relationship-based question. Relationship 1 says Statement 2 validates Statement 1. The growth in coastal shipping and improved port rankings that Statement 2 describes are exactly the outcomes you would expect from the port-led, cost-effective infrastructure strategy of Statement 1. Relationship 1 is correct. Relationship 2 says Statement 3 extends Statement 1 into a future innovation framework. Sagarmala 2.0 builds on the original port-led growth model by adding shipbuilding, green shipping, and innovation layers aligned with Viksit Bharat 2047. Relationship 2 is correct. Relationship 3 says Statement 1 contradicts Statement 3. This is completely wrong. They are complementary, not contradictory. The infrastructure foundation in Statement 1 is exactly what Sagarmala 2.0 in Statement 3 builds upon. Question 36. Consider the following statements about Rhynchostylis retusa, foxtail orchid. 1. It is an epiphytic orchid. 2. The species is endemic to northeast India. 3. It is a state flower of Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Which of the statements given above is/are correct? Answer is option A, 1 only. Only statement 1 is correct. Rhynchostylis retusa, the foxtail orchid, is an epiphyte. It grows on tree trunks and branches in tropical forests, drawing nutrients from air and rain rather than soil. Statement 1 is correct. Statement 2 is wrong. This orchid is not endemic to Northeast India. It is widely distributed across tropical Asia, including Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, and the Philippines. Statement 3 is also wrong. The foxtail orchid, locally called Kopo-phul, is the state flower of Assam only, where it is celebrated during the Bihu festival. It is not the state flower of Arunachal Pradesh. Question 37. Which one of the following statements with regard to the Moidams built by the Thai Ahom kingdom and inscribed as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO is/R correct? 1. They acted as army fortresses. 2. They were recreation centers of the royals and nobles. 3. They were burial grounds of the royals and nobles. 4. They were battle drill centers of the royals and nobles. Answer is option C, 3 only. Only statement 3 is correct. Moidams are the mound burial system of the Thai Ahom dynasty that ruled Assam for nearly 600 years from 1228 to 1826 CE. Located at Charaideo in Assam, they were inscribed as India's 43rd UNESCO World Heritage Site in July 2024, the first cultural property from the Northeast to receive this distinction. Each moidam consists of a vault where a royal was entombed with their belongings, covered by a hemispherical earthen mound. They reflect Thai Ahom ancestor worship and are comparable to Egyptian pyramids in concept. They were never fortresses, recreation centers, or battle drill centers. All those options are deliberate distractors. Question 38. At the United Nations Ocean Conference (UNOC) held in June 2026 in France, the Food and Agricultural Organization (FAO) of the United Nations demonstrated its leading voice on marine and ocean issues, especially on sustainable fisheries and aquaculture for resilient livelihood and blue transformation. Which of the following combinations about the four betters proposed by FAO for blue transformation is correct? A. Better production, better nutrition, better environment, and better ocean. B. Better production, better nutrition, better environment, and better life. C. Better coral reefs, better nutrition, better environment, and better life. D. Better estuaries, better nutrition, better environment, and better mangrove vegetation. Answer is option B. Better production, better nutrition, better environment, and better life. The FAO Strategic Framework 2022 to 2031 is built on the four betters: better production, better nutrition, better environment, and better life, leaving no one behind. This framework guides everything, including the Blue Transformation Vision, which aims to enhance the role of aquatic food systems in global food security. The traps in options A, C, and D substitute the fourth better, better life, with marine sounding terms like better ocean, better coral reefs, or better mangrove vegetation. None of those is part of FAO's official four betters. The framework is about people and food systems, not just marine ecosystems. Better life is the fourth. Question 39. Which of the following statements with reference to Lake Turkana is/R correct? 1. It is the largest desert lake in the world. 2. The lake is situated in South Sudan along the eastern fringe of the Sahara Desert. 3. The lake is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is also referred to as the Jade Sea. Answer is option B, 1 and 3 only. Statements 1 and 3 are correct. Lake Turkana is the world's largest permanent desert lake and also the largest alkaline lake on Earth, located in the Kenyan Rift Valley with its northern tip extending into Ethiopia. Statement 1 is correct. Its waters carry a blue-green hue caused by algae, earning it the nickname the Jade Sea. The Lake Turkana National Parks were inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1997. Statement 3 is correct. Statement 2 is the wrong one. The lake is in Kenya and Ethiopia, not in South Sudan, and it is nowhere near the Sahara Desert. It lies in the East African Rift Valley. Question 40. Which of the following statements with regard to genetic medicine is/are correct? 1. Genetic medicines correct/compensate for the faulty genes responsible for disease. 2. Engineered viruses and lipid nanoparticles are used as carriers of the genetic medicine. 3. Genetic medicines alter the entire DNA sequence. Answer is option C, 1 and 2 only. Statements 1 and 2 are correct. Genetic medicines work by correcting, compensating for, or silencing faulty genes that are responsible for disease. This is the fundamental principle behind gene therapy, antisense oligonucleotides, and RNA interference therapies. Statement 1 is correct. Engineered viruses like adeno-associated viruses and lipid nanoparticles, the same delivery technology used in mRNA vaccines, serve as carriers that transport the genetic medicine to target cells in the body. Statement 2 is correct. Statement 3 is clearly wrong. Genetic medicines do not alter the entire DNA sequence. Technologies like CRISPR make precise, targeted edits at specific locations in the genome. They are surgical, not wholesale. Altering the entire DNA sequence would be biologically catastrophic. That is questions 31 to 40 done. Part 4 complete, and we keep moving. Part 5 is on its way, so subscribe and hit the bell so you catch it the moment it drops. Tell me in the comments which question from this set surprised you the most. And if you're finding this series useful, share it with a fellow aspirant. Every share helps someone crack prelims. See you in part 5.